Shut up and sit down.
Write a complaint letter to the landlord. Complete complaint letters example. It is a great trouble for the tenants in the rainy season if the apartment that they have rented develops any waterlogging or leakage problem. A tenant cannot undertake any repair work on his behalf and thus has to inform the landlord of the existing problem and requesting him to undertake the necessary repairs. A complaint letter then informs the landlord what sort of problems are being faced by the tenants. Here is a sample of the complaint letter to the landlord. From Naveen Jain, Street number 41, MG Road, Ahmedabad, dated 21st May 2011. To Mr. Tarun Bansal, 198 by A, Shyam Park, Allahabad. Subject: Complaint Letter. Dear Mr. Bansal, I am writing to inform you that due to heavy rains in our city, for the past several days, there has been a problem with the water seepage in our building. A large quantity of water has collected on the terrace, as a result of which the water has seeped through the ceilings of flat numbers 7, 8, 9. Due to the seepage, the wall and the ceiling plaster are being damaged. The seepage is further damaging the wallpaper and the woodwork also. If the problem is not dealt with in time, then it can lead to extensive damage to all the flats. So, I, on behalf of all the tenants, request you to look into the problem and do the needful as soon as possible. Thanking you. Yours truly, Naveen Jain.